When you tell your barber if you can cut your hair just like a little bit shorter than usual, and now I regret it, but it's my fault because I said, can you cut my hair a little shorter this time? Now I'm like, oh, I want my hair longer. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a really good day so far. I'm excited to share with you my recent pickups. Before that though, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. I don't know, I feel super appreciative this morning and full of gratitude, and I just wanted to say thank you. And truly, like, for those of you that watch every single one of my videos, like my core viewers, I love you so much. I really do mean that, and I just wanted to express that because I feel like I don't express that enough, and I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and I hope you're all doing healthy, you're doing well. I know I've been a little bit inconsistent, I feel like, within the last few weeks, or even recent months. I've been kind of in and out of YouTube, but I'm excited to keep posting more content. I don't know about you, but I love activewear. Like, if I am just at home, which is most of the time, I love wearing like my, you know, gym clothes and stuff. I feel like they're comfortable. Anyway, I'm gonna link everything down below in the info box as usual. These, I wore them right away out of the box. Like that day, I think I put these on. These are the Nike vintage something. I'll link it down below, but these are super cool. They kind of give me a nice vintage feel to it. I love these shoes. I don't really have Nike shoes. Like, I don't really own a lot of Nike stuff. I have Adidas, Reebok, but I'm kind of new to the Nike shoes and I want more. Actually, they have these in high tops that I might get. They're high tops with white, the white Nike logo, but yeah, still minimal, casual, but adding a little vintage flair to it, I guess I could say. But yeah, I like these. All right, up next, I got these shoes for CrossFit. These are the NANO X Reebok shoes. These are really cool. I actually got these online, and now that I think about it, I should have gotten ones that had maybe like a white touch to it, but I don't really care. I'm not really wearing these for style, and these are really popular. I wanted to get CrossFit shoes because I've talked about this in my last video. I joined CrossFit. I've been doing it now for about 6-7 weeks, and I'm hooked. I am obsessed. I want to get better at it. So I know it takes time though. Everyone's like, give it months, because right now I'm really into I'm trying to, you have to leave your ego out the door when it comes to CrossFit. And I noticed my strength increasing, and like my cardio has definitely increased, and everyone's like, it's just patience and all about technique. I digress. I got these shoes for that because you need specific shoes. All right, moving on to Gymshark. These aren't really that exciting in my opinion. I mean, I love Gymshark shorts, but these are just very simple shorts, you know, kind of short, not too short, but these are just basic black shorts with zipper on the side, so you know your things won't fall out. So I got these, little Gymshark logo down below. I was in need of workout clothes. And then I got these, which I like. They're actually pretty much, they fit the same as the other. They have the zippers on the side as well. Very much the same, but these have this cool little detail on the side. It says Gymshark right here, as you guys can see. Oh, it has straps too here. And then I got these shorts from Nike. These are also kind of vintage style of shorts, but I really like these a lot. They're really comfortable. Nothing really else I can add to this. They're just a really cool vintage style type of you know, Nike shorts with the white you know, detail right there. I also got these in pistachio green. It said on the screen or on the site. So I got the same exact pair, but in this like muted green color. Now these aren't really that exciting, but I got a 4-pack of the compression shorts from Under Armour. These are needed. I didn't know that you needed compression shorts. And then I got a bunch of new shirts from Reebok. I got this one here. It's like a dry fit. Feels really nice. This is one of my favorite colors when it comes to just clothing, and in general, I like this dark kind of like hunter green. So I got this with the little Reebok logo in the center. So I got this. Then I also got this Reebok shirt with the logo in the front. Just a classic gray shirt with the Reebok logo. Oh. Then I got the same shirt that I showed you guys right now, the green one, but in black. So I got that there. Same one, but in black. Then I got this simple, classic Reebok shirt right here. The screen. This one's really cool. I really like this one a lot. It has the logo right here on top. Just kind of a classic white tee. Don't know if, I mean, I might wear this for the gym, but might wear it for just like on any, you know, casual day. But that concludes today's video. That's all I got. I kind of want to get more stuff, but I also don't need that much, to be honest. Like, I feel like I have gym shirts already, but I just needed some new stuff. You know when your shirts start to kind of stink a little bit because you've had the same shirts for like a while, for like a year or more, and the sweat kind of, you know, yeah, so I needed some new gym shorts. But yeah, hope you're all doing really well today. I appreciate you so much, sending good positive vibes your way, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Adios.